Alright, let the beat load. Now turn it up a little more. Nah, turn it down, son, turn it down. Alright.
Jungle Beats, holla at me.
I be on my spitting game. Niggas better play their lane before they get hurt. And I gotta stay the same, but I need church to take me for these crazy things. Add up merch. Let's go. Now I'm back, what it do? Every time I look at you, I think to myself like I should read a book or two. Extra status, I be landing on another planet too. Congratulations, baby girl, do you need a hand or two? I was such a fan of you, but back to the basics. Time is steady ticking and the clock steady racing. But I gotta get it, tell my niggas that I'm with it. I be ballin' on my pivot. If you froggy, then I'm ready. Excuse me, I just shit it, and I ain't even mean to. My favorite color blue, but I'm fucking with the green too. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I just curse and I ain't mean to. I want me a Ferrari so the team we can breeze through. Hold on, wait, this is real versus fake. This is ham versus steak. This is rats versus snakes. And hold on, wait, don't you ever try to diss me. You is not an ex, don't you ever try to miss me. And this is not a diss, let me get it over quickly. And nobody's perfect, so shout out to Missy. I don't like to talk a lot, can catch me on another block. I'm higher than the fucking top. 61st and Wabash, was living by that tire shop. But I had to move though, I had to play my cards right. Shout out to Uno. I am such a good boy, don't try to use me. I'm patient with these girls, they be tweaking when they lose me. Smoking on the doobie, chilling on the blacktop. Shout out to them pretty girls, chilling on they laptop. Oh my god, pretty girl, could you be my mascot? Hold on, wait a minute, think it's gonna take a minute. Hold on, ding dong, that might be the meal. You can catch me playing ping pong with a pretty girl. And I'm like, yeah, take that, I ain't Diddy girl. I've been on my own, home alone, it's Jamil world. Back to this rap though, the world's so cold, man, I think I'm finna make snow. I can rap fast, but I think I'm finna rap slow. Hold on, I'm finna take a break right here. Man, I'm just living, man. Living good, you know. Living good, still on my grind. Yeah. Shout out to them good girls, man. Shout out to them niggas that's flexing out there. But anyway, look, shout out to my main girl. All in my face, I had to tell her ass, dang girl, could your ass bag back? If you let me drive it, man, I promise I'ma crash that. I make a nigga breakfast and I promise I'ma smash that. I'm like, did you get it now? I don't wanna sit around. All in her ocean, you could catch a nigga swimming now. Now I'm finna act a clown, now I'm finna jump around. Smoking on that loud pack, but I don't even smoke, but I be asking where the loud at. I don't even know, so I guess I'm finna fall back. Damn, life stressing me. How I get so cool, they be asking for the recipe. Tell them kids stay in school, bye bye, my girl texting me. Real shit, real shit, real shit.